Today on Beyond the Headlines, we confront a disturbing social media trend that has sparked outrage across the country. But before then, let's bring you some development at the National Assembly. A federal high court in Abuja has affirmed the power of the Senate to discipline any member for unethical conduct. Justice Binta Nyako, in a judgment, held that under the Senate rules, the Senate President is empowered to allocate seats for members, and such a member is only allowed to speak from the seat allocated to him or her. Celestine Area has more.
In the suit filed by the senator representing Kogi Central Senatorial District, Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, Justice Nyako found that since Natasha was not speaking from the seat allocated to her during the Senate sitting on February 20th, she was not entitled to be heard. The judge held that although the Senate could suspend its members, it should consider the period of such suspension. The court ordered the Senate to recall her to afford her the opportunity to represent her constituency and for her to also apologize to the Senate. Also, Justice Nyako found her guilty of contempt and fined her 5 million naira to be paid to the coffers of the federal government. She had violated an order of court made on April 4th, restraining parties from commenting on the subject matter pending in the suit. The judge held that by posting a satirical letter on her Facebook page on April 27th, while the April 4th order subsisted, Natasha was in contempt of court. Since the senator is found guilty of contempt in a civil case, thereby making it a civil contempt, she would not be sent to prison, but made to pay a fine and offer public apology to the court. Justice Nyako ordered Natasha to pay 5 million naira to the coffers of the federal government and publish an apology in 2 national dailies and her Facebook page within 7 days. Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan in the suit challenged her suspension by the Senate, terming it as unconstitutional. Celestine Area, TVC News, Abuja.
Well, let's remind you how it all started a few months ago.